Hi everyone, my name is Abhay and today I have with me this Ultra Trim Pro Styling Kit by SYSKA, and I'll be counting down its top 5 features that will entice you to go purchase this right away. So let's begin. Firstly is its ergonomic design. It is very stunning. The combination of the colors and the metallic and glossy finish makes it look very luxurious. Plus the design also makes it comfortably fit in your palm, that provides you with a comfortable trimming experience. Secondly, it comes with 3 detachable attachments. First up is a comb with 10 lock-in length settings that lets you achieve your desired beard style. There is also a nose and ear hair trimmer head, so you no longer have to purchase another one for only that. Finally, you also get a high quality stainless steel precision trimmer head that allows you to achieve the sharp edges with precision. Thirdly, it has a unique technology that allows self-sharpening of the blades over time, which makes it more efficient as you keep using it, and it does not give up on us like many other trimmers on the market right now, making it a great investment. The lightweight and compact design and the travel pouch that you get along with this kit makes it very travel friendly, so that you can carry it anywhere with you on work trips, vacations and staycations, and always look dapper. Finally, this trimmer has a high battery performance. It gives you up to 60 minutes of non-stop use once it's fully charged, and it also has a battery indicator on the body that keeps you updated of the status. This trimmer is also very safe to use when plugged in, so you can choose to use it with the cord or completely cordless. This Pro Kit will help you always stay fresh and groomed, so go ahead, purchase this right away and achieve the perfect look with great ease.